Welcome to Berlin, the city of history, hipster cafes, and endless inspiration. It's a place where every corner tells a story, and every kebab shop might just have the best meal of your week. We spent 1 week here on a workation, mixing remote work with adventure, good food, museums, and a Linkin Park concert I will never forget. We stayed in Mitte, right in the heart of the city. Cute place, great location, but Wi-Fi was not so great. It was very hard to work there, at least it was okay to participate in Zoom and different meetings, but for example upload or work on videos as I usually do, I couldn't. It took long time and I felt myself back to the beginning of 2000s. Mornings started with remote work, a couple of hours with my laptop and a strong coffee, so after it was already fire-opened, it was time to explore. We visited the Berlin Computer Game Museum, a paradise for tech nerds and gamers. From Pong to virtual reality, they had it all. We played retro games, explored gaming history, and got inspired by how far technology has come. I really loved this museum. It was fun, it is interactive, so I think everyone can enjoy it, with kids, without kids, anyone. Berlin is a city where every step takes you through layers of history. We walked a lot. We've been at the Brandenburg Gate, once a symbol of division when it stood behind the Berlin Wall. Today it stands for unity and peace right at the heart of the city. We also passed the Reichstag, home to the German parliament. Its glass dome was added after reunification, a powerful symbol of transparency in government, literally letting the people look down on the politicians. But we decided not to waste our time and didn't go inside. But if you have enough time, you need to make an appointment before your visit, and then I am sure you will enjoy it from the inside. Checkpoint Charlie, once the most famous border crossing between East and West Berlin, today it's a major tourist spot, but it's also a reminder of the tension, fear and drama of the Cold War. There is also the East Side Gallery, the longest surviving stretch of the Berlin Wall, now turned into an open-air gallery. Over 100 artists from around the world transformed this former barrier into a canvas for hope and freedom. All of this history surrounded our everyday life as we spent a week being there. One of the absolute highlights was the Linkin Park concert. It was my dream to see them live once, but I didn't think already that it would become true because of the incident. But fortunately, the new solist is perfect, and I really love how she sings the old and new songs. The energy, the crowd, the nostalgia, it was unforgettable. And nothing like live music to make your week feel epic.
This is what you want.
Of course, no trip to Berlin is complete without food. It has everything from spicy currywurst to flavorful Döner and craft beers that hit just right after a long day. And it is wonderful that you can find absolutely everything because Berlin is so multicultural and cuisine is also a mix of different cultures. So we ate Asian food, we ate arepas, we ate Mexican, we ate just simple burgers, doner kebabs. So yeah, food it's definitely something that is hard to forget. It also should be one of the main reasons for someone to want to come to Berlin. And in between bites we walked a lot because again Berlin's history is everywhere, from the Berlin Wall to hidden street art. Mixing work with travel reminded me how important it is to change your environment. It boosts creativity, lowers stress and gives you a fresh perspective, all without taking time off. And Berlin was the perfect place for that reset. So that was our one-week workation in Berlin. Productive mornings, unforgettable nights, and everything in between. Would I do it again? 100%. If you are thinking about combining work and travel, Berlin should be on your list.